Today we had another Koberger hearing. This is one of the last Koberger hearings that we're going to have before the trial starts, and we want to talk about some of the key points.
One of the key things today was that the defense had presented alternate perpetrators to the court. The judge is requesting further information because he said there is not enough to make a decision. They're going to have a hearing on June 18th, and the judge is going to take further consideration to what is presented by the defense on this topic.
The next thing that they touched on in this hearing is Dylan and Bethany. So the judge made clear that he's going to save 2 seats for Dylan and Bethany in this entire trial. They don't have to sit in those seats during the trial, but they will have permanent seats as victims. He called them victims. He did say that they were victims of the burglary, which was very interesting. The other thing that he did say about Dylan and Bethany is that they will be audio only. No cameras allowed in the courtroom. During Dylan Bethany's testimony, it will be audio only. And the defense did say that they had some people that they wanted. They went back and forth. The defense said that they had multiple people that they wanted to also apply this to. And the judge said, yeah, tough luck. Present your case, but we'll see.
Another thing very interesting in court today is that the judge referred to the rendering of the house as a dollhouse, and then they collectively agreed that that was an inappropriate term for it. So now they're calling it a rough model, which is stored in an evidence vault. Thank you. The word escaped my mind. They're storing it in an evidence vault in the courthouse. It'll only be used during the trial when needed. Otherwise, it'll be removed from the courtroom. The defense had a chance to examine it yesterday by 2 of their experts. Now we're just waiting for an objection on behalf of the defense because you know it's coming.
Judge has been really particular about the word touch DNA being used in the trial. So today he said that they're going to have to come up and agree with a term to call touch DNA and how to describe it to the jury. And if the defense and the state can't decide on something and agree on it, that he's going to figure out how he wants it worded, whether they like it or not, and that's what's going to be used.
Jury selection will begin on July 30th.
Opening arguments are hopefully projected to start August 11th, just depending on how long jury selection takes. So we are strapped in, ready to go.